Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back with an amazing resource. Yes, 1500 plus HR email IDs, which can be the game changer for your job search. Getting this list and using it properly can land you a good job. Don't skip this video, watch it completely. I will share some tips and resources for this. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe. I will bring more videos like this, and previously I have shared resources related to DSA, AIML, data science, cloud, and I will share more resources. So let's start the video. We have at least here 1500 plus HR email IDs. Some are direct HR's email ID and some are managed by many people. So based on the email ID you are using, address it in that way. For example, you are addressing to a single person, which have a name, for example this one, then you have to address him like hi their name. And if you are using email ID which are used by many people or other for the team, then address them hi team and other details. So there's two way you can use this. First, you can just send them cold email directly to them. Okay, for that you need a cold email template. I have created it and added it on a blog. You can visit it. I'll give the link in this description. So here, if you are using it to inquire about internship, use this template, or you can customize it for yourself. And for freshers and for experience also, I have added. So once you have a cold email template, just send them cold email using these email IDs and address them properly. Okay. And the other way is that you can just check the name of the person, for example Ravi, and check their company name. So go to LinkedIn, write their name space company name. So in some cases you can find their profile ID, and there you can send them a connection request and ask further about the job or any internships. If you need a connection request template, then comment, I'll share with you. Okay, so use this properly. Only for your job or internship search. I'll add the Excel sheet link in the description. Okay, thank you for watching the video, and if you need anything else or any resource, do comment, I'll share it with you.